Hello and welcome to my channel Indicator Insight. In this video, I will guide you how to earn $700 in 1 minute. Let's start. I have a binary indicator that indicates me up and down trend. So we have to add first two lines on the chart. You know about the support and resistance. If you don't know support and resistance, comment down. I will make another video on support and resistance. First we have to add horizontal line on the chart and then place it into the support and resistance. One line add into the support and second line on the resistance. So let's put the line on the first resistance, then increase its thickness because it will be opacity will be shown. So we have to change the color on red and make it a duplicate put we will put on the downside. That's called the resistance, sorry, that's called the support. Now we have to wait the point of the signal that indicate me put or call. Let's see on the chart what chart appearing. Let's change the color first. It's make to the green and let's forward to the chart. Oh yeah, now it's the signal is appearing after a 3 or 5 seconds. Yeah, it's appearing the signal. Now we have to call option. We put we put the trade on the upside, $1,000 trade. So let's wait what happened to our trade. Let's add a small sound on the video, wait to the confirmation and win our trade. Let's see. So here we go. We earn $700 in 1 minute. Don't forget to join my Telegram group. Have you enjoyed this video? Share with your friend, and if you want that indicator, so contact me on Telegram. Thank you. Goodbye.